What's up guys, it's Blake with Y2K. I have an epic announcement. I've bought the replacement for the S600 and it's going to be completely different than anything we've had on this channel. You know, right now we've got the Diablo, we've got the E92 M3, and out back we've got the E70 X5M. But this is going to be a completely new and different car. It's going to have a little bit of off-road capability, I can tell you that. It seats a few people. And we're going to be literally just like traveling the country with it. So leave your comments down below. Tell me what you think I bought, I guess. And if anyone guesses it right, I'll send you a free Why2k T-Shirt and a sticker. So that would be really cool. So seats a lot of people, goes off-road. That's all I'm going to tell you. It has to be Y2K approved, so it's between 1990 and 2009. I'll tell you, you know, that's the parameters of the years, but we're going to be doing some epic road trips. I was really trying to think about, you know, what kind of car I wanted to buy, and I was like, do I want like a Supra or whatever? And I've already got fast cars, so I've already, you know, got that covered. I really want to do something cool and different, and I want my wife, this is really a present for her, so I want her to have something really awesome and throwback that she can, you know, take to get coffee and then take on these road trips, and we can split up the drive. We've got two corgis, and well, one's a corgi and one's a Shiba Inu and corgi mix. And we've always wanted to do road trips with these dogs and put our bikes in there and everything. And we haven't really had the right car. This truck behind me is not Y2K approved, and it's just kind of big. So this is what I'm doing. I'm buying something completely different, something, you know, I've never even owned a car like this before. We're going to, I think most likely we're going to do a road trip there, a one-way rental car, and we'll document that whole thing, and then we'll show you buying the car just like we did with the Diablo, and just have an epic time driving back. The car is in Virginia, so we're going to end up probably winding down through the mountains and having a really awesome time. Find some craft brewery spots, do some bike riding. Labor Day weekend, as you know, is upon us, so we actually have a hurricane that's headed our way to Florida. So it's probably a good time to go, probably a good time to leave. I'm not sure the timing on that. I haven't been paying a lot of attention. I think it's supposed to hit Central Florida on Saturday. By the way, anyone who is in the wake of that storm, please be safe and listen to all the evacuation stuff. You know, it's always fun to say you want to stay, but at the end of the day, I hope you guys put your safety first. So if you're in the wake of a storm and it's a big storm, please leave, you know, and go somewhere away from the storm. So anyways, that's what I've got today. It's a short and sweet announcement. I'm buying a new car for my wife. She's really excited. I went in there into my office and told them I wanted to do it to the dealership. I said, let's do the deal. And we did it, and I just wired the money. So it's a new day, it's a new chapter for Y2K. And I think when you guys see this thing, it's just so oddball, like you're just gonna love it. So I hope you like it as much as me. We're gonna have some really, really fun times. Anyways, that's all I got today for you, just a short vlog. I'm sorry I've been absent for a few days. I went to New York City, excuse me, for 4 days with my wife, and we had an amazing time. I'll post some pictures up while I'm talking right now. But we had a great time, and we can't wait to get this car and get it back home and start doing some road trips in it through the fall, which is like the best time ever to do road trips. So if you liked the small little blurb today, please do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, that really helps us out. We've got a growing number of subscribers now. We're at 209. And last month we were at like 140, so it's starting to pick up a little bit. And I can't wait to get to that first 1,000. That's a big deal for me. So let's try and get to the first 1,000, guys, and we'll keep giving you amazing content. Hope you're enjoying it. We'll see you guys next video.